Our story today is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrations by Jane Chapman. And here we see the setting of our story. It's the bear's den. In a den in the woods, in his deep, dark lair. There's his lair, the den. And I see lots of snow. It's winter time. Through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. There's the character of our story, the brown bear, in his den. There we see the bear, cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night, and that's called hibernating. The bear in his den. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Now we have a new character. A mouse is coming in the den. Mouse squeaks. Too damp. Too dank. Too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Oh, the mouse can make a fire. Now it's not so dark in the cave. There's our characters, the bear and the mouse. The coals pip-pops and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Here's a new character, the hare. Two glowing eyes, peep pop in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Now a rabbit, is coming in the cave. Now we have three characters in the cave. A bear, a mouse, and now a hare. "Oh, mouse," cries hare, "long time no see." Oh, look what they have in their hands. They have some food and a drink. They pop white corn and they brew black tea. Now they can get something to eat and drink. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. Now they're warm in the cave, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share." "I've brought honey nuts," says Badger with a grin. Oh, he could bring food in the den. "Let's divvy them up," cozy down and dig in. Now they're going to eat more. The hare, the badger, and the mouse, they nibble and they munch with a chew, a chomp, and a crunch. They're eating more food, and they're eating it loud, but the bear snores on. Now some new friends come. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. 4 more animals are coming in the den. Mole mutters, "What a night!" Twitters, "What a storm!" And everybody clutters in the great bear den. Look at all the friends gathering around the fire, eating food, having fun. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party. All the animals are having a party in his very own lair, in his den. That's the setting of our story. That's where the characters go. They all go in the den. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. They're cooking more food. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Oh no, the bear smells the pepper fleck and achoo! The bear sneezed. Oh, and the animals look afraid. He blows and he sneezes, and the bear wakes up. The bear gnarls and he snarls. The bear roars and he rumbles. He does not look happy. Bear jumps and he stomps. These animals look scared. They woke up the bear. Bear growls and he grumbles. Roar. He's loud. What does he say? "You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun." Oh no, but me, I was sleeping, and I've had none. Well, the bear did not have fun. He was sleeping, and now he looks sad. He looks sad because his friends had fun without him. He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Blubbers is another word for crying. The bear is crying. He's sad. His friend Mouse says, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see?" Well, what's Mouse gonna say? I think Mouse wants to help. Mouse says, "We can pop more corn, can brew more tea." Yes, Mouse wants to help the bear feel better. He makes more food. Now the bear can have fun. And Bear gulps, Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Oh, he's feeling happy now. He's spending time with his friends. He's getting more food and drink. Now he's smiling. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. The bear is telling stories. And the animals are having fun. When the sun sneaks up on a crisp, clear dawn. Now the sun comes up, the night is over. It's going to be daytime. And now Bear cannot sleep. He is awake. He woke up from his hibernation. He cannot sleep, but his friends are asleep, and they snore on. Oh no, now all of his friends are asleep, but the bear is awake. The end. That was The Bear Snores On. We see all our characters and the setting of the den.